Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment, the go-to spot for insights that enlighten, entertain, and empower your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for many of us fighting fatigue. In our non-stop world, it's all too easy to find ourselves drained, struggling to keep our energy levels up. Whether it's the endless work deadlines, the bustling city life, or the digital screens that keep us awake way past our bedtime, we're constantly battling to stay energized. But before we charge ahead, if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you never miss out on our captivating content. Ready to turn the tables on tiredness? Let's explore some natural, effective methods to rejuvenate our energy and restore our vitality. Stick around as we unpack tips, tricks, and truths about keeping your energy levels in the green, naturally and sustainably. Fatigue can feel like a heavy fog, making even simple tasks seem daunting. But fret not, because today, we've lined up some incredible natural ways to help you bounce back stronger and more vibrant than ever. Without further ado, let's get started. Hydrate like a champion. Dehydration can sneak up on you like a ninja in the night, turning your vibrant energy into a distant memory. But fear not, water is your ally, transforming you back into a being of pure vitality. Picture yourself as a superhero, where each glass of water is a piece of your power suit. 8 glasses a day is the goal, but why stop there? Jazz it up with lemon or cucumber for that extra zing, making each sip a step closer to defeating the fatigue villain. Remember, hydrating is not just about drinking water. It's about refreshing your soul. Power naps, not siestas. Power naps are the unsung heroes in the battle against weariness. Forget the epic tales of siestas that stretch for hours. The real magic lies in those short, sweet 20 to 30 minute snoozes. They're like pressing the reset button on your brain, giving you a burst of energy that's akin to downing a double espresso, minus the jitters. Imagine curling up in your favorite cozy nook, drifting off, and waking up as energized as a caffeinated squirrel. Embrace the art of the power nap and transform your afternoons into a powerhouse of productivity and verve. Herbal allies. Welcome to the enchanted world of adaptogenic herbs, where ginseng, ashwagandha, and rhodiola are not mere ingredients but your allies in the quest for vitality. These natural wonders are like the Gandalf to your Frodo, guiding you through the perils of stress and fatigue with wisdom and strength. Sipping on ginseng tea can be as revitalizing as catching the first rays of dawn, while ashwagandha in your smoothie is like infusing your morning with the power of 1,000 suns. Embrace these herbal heroes and watch as they fortify your body's resilience, making you invincible in the face of fatigue. Breathe like a yogi. In the realm of energy restoration, the power of breath is as legendary as the tales of ancient yogis. The 4-7-8 technique isn't just a practice. It's a ritual that infuses your body with a calm, energizing force, turning you lighter than a cloud on a breezy day. Imagine inhaling a potion of vitality, holding it as it transforms within you, and then releasing the tiredness back into the ether. This simple practice is your secret weapon, a whisper of the universe that breathes life back into your weary bones, making you a beacon of tranquility and power. Laughter yoga. Imagine a world where laughter is the key to boundless energy. Welcome to Laughter Yoga, a place where chuckles and guffaws are not just expressions of joy but sources of power. Gathering with friends or flying solo, each giggle is a spark that lights the fire of vitality within you. Think of it as doing sit-ups, but instead of the grimace of effort, your face is alight with the joy of 1,000 comedies. This practice doesn't just chase away fatigue. It invites a wave of euphoria, leaving you rejuvenated and ready to conquer the world with a smile. Magnesium magic. Magnesium is the unsung hero of the cellular world, a veritable wizard behind the curtain of energy production. This magnificent mineral orchestrates the creation of ATP, your body's energy currency, with the finesse of a maestro. Imagine each cell as a tiny factory, bustling with activity, and magnesium as the foreman ensuring everything runs smoothly. A handful of pumpkin seeds or a square of dark chocolate becomes a treasure trove of vitality, not just a treat. Embrace the magic of magnesium, and watch as your energy levels soar. Powered by the invisible, yet potent, force of this essential nutrient. Forest bathing. Forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, is an ancient ritual that transcends mere walking in the woods. It's an immersion into the heart of nature. As you step beneath the canopy, the world transforms. Each tree, a guardian, every breath, a blend of phytoncides, nature's own stress relievers. This is not just a stroll. It's a journey into tranquility. Imagine the forest floor as a tapestry woven from the very essence of peace, each step a brushstroke adding color to your soul. Let the forest envelop you, whispering ancient secrets that rejuvenate your spirit and invigorate your body. Dance breaks. Dance breaks are the secret sauce to maintaining an energy level that rivals a supernova. Picture yourself as the star of your own spontaneous musical, where the world is your stage and the soundtrack is your heart's beat. Whether it's the moonwalk or the floss, each move is a defiance against the mundane, a celebration of freedom and joy. This isn't just about shaking off fatigue. It's about embodying the rhythm of life, turning every moment into a chance to express, explore, and explode with energy. Let the music take you, and dance like the universe is cheering you on. Mindful munching. In the quest for energy, mindful munching is like choosing the right ammunition for a long journey. Swap the empty calories for nutrient-rich allies like almonds, walnuts, or blueberries. Each bite is not just sustenance. It's a message to your body, a promise of sustained energy without the dreaded crash. Picture your snacks as tiny parcels of power, each one packed with the potential to fuel your adventure through life. This isn't just about eating. It's about curating a feast for your cells, where every morsel is a beacon of vitality, guiding you towards a state of unwavering energy. Hug a furry friend. The act of hugging a furry friend is akin to tapping into a primal source of joy and energy. Imagine each cuddle as a connection to a simpler, more joyful existence where stress and fatigue are but distant memories. This is not just pet therapy. It's a heart-to-heart with the purest forms of love and vitality. As you embrace your pet, or even a plush facsimile, the world softens, and the oxytocin flows, enveloping you in a bubble of bliss. This is the power of touch, a simple gesture that rekindles the light within, casting away shadows and filling you with a warm glow of energy. Remember, the journey to a more energized you is not about quick fixes but embracing a lifestyle that supports your well-being holistically. It's about making small, sustainable changes that lead to big impacts over time. So, why not start today? Pick one or two methods we've discussed and begin your path to reclaiming your energy. And as you embark on this journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences, tips, or questions in the comments below. Let's create a community of vitality and vigor, supporting each other towards a more energetic, fulfilling life. If you found value in today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and let's fight fatigue together. This is Infinite Infotainment, signing off. Stay energized, stay infinite.